All right, to some more news from Tamil Nadu. Now, the Tamil Nadu government has increased property tax for all local bodies in the state. Now, with this, Chennai residents would have to pay between 50% to 150% more basis the square foot area of the property. Now, commercial buildings and industries in core Chennai areas will see a 150% increase in tax, while educational institutions will see a 100% rise. All right, my colleague Apeksha is joining us live in the newsroom for more on this. Apeksha, if you could please take our viewers through all the details of this property tax hike and why perhaps the Tamil Nadu government has done this.
Sure, Ashna. In fact, right at the onset, I'd like to tell our viewers that this hike is between 50 to 150%, and it definitely is a steep hike. And now we'll give a perspective as to why the government has decided to increase these prices. The very first reason why they've done this is because this is the first time in 24 years that we're looking at such a tax revision. The second one being that the urban local body expenditure has gone up. And also given the fact that in the last 24 years, there has not been a single revision in tax, so that directly impacts the, the revenue streams of the government. Then, of course, the municipal finances, as a result, are under strain. Inflation has risen over the past, like a number of years, but the property tax has remained the same. Now, this is the point, the moot point here, that in the last so many decades, the government has not increased the tax. Inflation has gone up. Prices have gone up, and there is absolutely no way for them to make money and make sure that their expenditure is being taken care of. So finally now we're looking at a move here where they have increased the taxes. And of course, another big reason being that the tax revision on recommendation of the 15th Finance Commission, and this is what the government has also been saying, there is a central government recommendation basis which the taxes have gone up.
Right, Apeksha, thank you for taking us through all those details. And I'm also being joined by my colleague Mugilan for more on this story. Mugilan, if you could please tell us, how are the people of Chennai really responding to this kind of a move by the Tamil Nadu government?
Definitely, there is a mixed response coming in from the people, but this time we are seeing earlier the property taxes used to be an uniform rise. That is, anyone who is having a below 600 square feet or above 1,800 square feet, the property tax will be same. But this time there is a difference in the taxation as per the square feet of the household in the new taxation policy. And now, as per the new Tamil Nadu state government's taxation, now you can see anyone who is having less than 600 square feet, they have a 50% increase. That is, if they are paying 800 rupees so far, now they will be paying 1,200 rupees. And likewise, anyone who's having above 600 to 1,200 square feet, now they will be paying 75%. And above 1,200 to 1,800, it is 100%, and above 1,000 square feet, it is only 150 percentage. So now the taxation has been made based on the square feet of the householding, and as I said earlier, the people who are having less than 600 square feet will have to pay an increase of 400 rupees only, and this comes to immediate effect, is what we are hearing from the finance department. But when it comes to the corporations like Chennai, it has to be amended in the council, and it will happen soon, is what we are learning from the finance department. And the minister for municipal corporation also have clarified that it is not their intention to increase the property tax, but it is based on the condition by the 15th Finance Commission to increase the property tax by April 31st to avail the union government funds for the local bodies. The minister has also clarified, so far as the taxes were not increased in last 24 years, more than 7,000 crores is pending with the union government. And if the property taxes are not hiked this time also, then they will set to lose around 15,000 crores. That's what the minister has explained. And political parties, yes, ADMK and the other political parties have condemned the property tax rise.
Right, Mugilan. Mugilan, if you could please stay on with us, we have some more news from Tamil Nadu that is just